Saras crane, the tallest flying bird in the world. The Saras crane stands elegantly with an impressive height of 1.8 meters. This resident non-migratory crane is amongst the few birds that form long-lasting pairs. In India, the Saras crane is considered a symbol of marital fidelity. They maintain territories within which they perform territorial and courtship displays. Displays of calling in unison and posturing, loud trumpeting, leaps and dance-like movements are performed both during the breeding season as well as at other times. It involves a short series of jumping and bowing. This dancing may also act as a displacement tactic when the nest or young are threatened. The cranes breed mainly during the monsoons in India. Resident birds like painted stork, black-necked stork, Eurasian spoonbill, spot-bill duck, black-headed ibis can be witnessed throughout the year. Rare birds like black bittern and Egyptian vulture can be sighted here too. The black-necked stork is a tall, long-necked, wading bird of the stork family, generally living in wetland habitats. This resident bird is the only remaining pair in whole of Keoladeo National Park. The male and female both look the same, except for one tiny difference: the color of their iris. The female has yellow iris, while the male has brown. The black-necked stork is a carnivore. It feeds on water birds such as coot, little grebe, and invertebrates such as crabs and mollusks. But mostly, it feeds on fish. These birds draw over 1 lakh visitors every year, of which almost 50,000 are international tourists. Rickshaw pullers and tourist guides ferry the tourists on bird-watching trails, passionately showing them around. Their service and knowledge of this habitat and birds vastly enriches the educational experience of the tourists. They have a symbiotic relationship with the park. They help keep the trails clean and voluntarily offer their help in times of emergencies. Every year, Keoladeo National Park continues to thrive in spite of uncertain monsoon, supplemented by water supply from other reservoirs. A recently started conservation program for the 27 satellite wetlands surrounding this park has further enhanced the protection of the migratory waterfowl arriving in the Central Asian flyway to winter in this oasis.
Ha 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 ha!